people, I have a new quick tip for traveling with your shaving gear. What happens if you want to go on the road but don't want to carry all these big bottles? This is a little mineral oil to oil your razors or your big bottle cheap aftershave, alcohol to sanitize your razor and blades, witch hazel, the Brasso pre-shave in the crystal jar, all that stuff. This is big. It takes a lot of space. So I have a solution for that, and this little tiny bag of things that I got on the local pharmacy for $3.95, as you can see here. And they're small bottles. This is for the alcohol. It's a nice pump action spray, and I mixed the aftershave with half of witch hazel, so it's milder. It won't dry your skin that much. And I scoop out a little bit. It even has the little spoon to scoop out a little bit of the Brasso and put it in this little jar here. So cool. And if I need to carry some castor oil, there is another tiny jar for that. And there you go. Solution. Okay, that's another tip. I have another tip. When you want to sanitize your razor, you want to use 75 or 70% of pure alcohol, and you want to use 70 because it dries out and evaporates slower, so it has more time to enter the cells and kill the germs. So you want to use 70%. And if you want your razor to smell good, you can put in here 3 drops of peppermint essential oil, and it will be smelling great. There you go. Thanks for watching, and check my channel often for new tips. Bye bye.